Hello, nice painting here.
Yes, I like this art.
It is very modern. What is your favorite?
I like the blue colors. They are very calm.
I think the red part is cool. It moves fast.
This gallery is quiet. A good place to think.
I just moved here. I seek new places.
Welcome to the city. It has great galleries.
Thank you. I am looking at the map.
Are you lost easily? The map helps.
Yes, I get lost much. The streets confuse me.
Follow the river path. That road is simple.
I will try that today. I need to learn.
Do you draw pictures? You hold a sketchbook.
No, I do not draw. I only look.
This picture is great. It looks like a storm.
I see a huge storm cloud. It looks strong.
Art helps my mood. It makes me calm.
I take many photos. That is my hobby.
Taking photos is fun. Capture the moment.
I brought my new camera. It is very big.
I like the big camera. Take a nice picture.
I am waiting for my friend. He is late.
Waiting in a gallery is fine. Less boring here.
I will look at more art. I will wait more.
Maybe your friend is lost. Text him now.
Good idea. I send the text.
I enjoy this painting. It is very special.
It is very unique. I like new art.
Have a nice day here. Goodbye.
Excuse me, is this table free?
Yes, please sit here. It is free.
Thank you very much. I am Ben.
Hello, Ben. My name is Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia. I love this coffee.
The coffee here is best. I come every day.
I am new to the area. I just moved.
Welcome to the area. We have good shops.
I like the warm mood. This place is cozy.
Yes, the lighting is soft. I read a book here.
What book are you reading? Is it interesting?
It is a history book about old city facts.
History is very cool. I study old photos.
Old photos tell stories. They are important.
I am a photographer. I work with pictures.
That sounds very fun. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my work much. It is exciting.
I am an art teacher. I teach young kids.
Teaching children is nice. They draw well.
They draw funny pictures. I laugh a lot.
What is your favorite season? I like fall.
I love the summer heat. Warm days are best.
Summer is good for photos. Bright blue sky.
I drink cold iced tea then. It is refreshing.
I need a second coffee. This one is small.
Ask the nice lady there. She works fast.
I will get more coffee. Do you want one?
No thank you, Ben. I have enough now.
I look forward to my job. I start soon.
Good luck with your job. You will do great.
This library is huge. Many books.
Yes, I love old buildings. This place is quiet.
I draw here sometimes. I use my sketchbook.
Drawing is your hobby. What do you draw?
I draw old statues. They stand very still.
I take photos of statues. They are hard to shoot.
I see your big camera. It looks professional.
Yes, I take my hobby seriously. I practice much.
Practice is important for art. Always practice.
Do you have other hobbies, Mia? Tell me more.
I listen to music. Classical music is best.
I listen to rock music. It is very loud.
Loud music is too much. I need soft sound.
I also watch old movies, black and white movies.
Old movies are fun. I like the old clothes.
Do you play any sports? Sports are active.
No, I do not play. I walk very fast.
Walking fast is good. Good for the body.
I walk to the park daily. I see the big trees.
Trees are good photo subjects. I like the green.
Do you read books, Ben? This place is perfect.
I read technology books about new cameras.
Technology is hard for me. Art is easier.
We like different things. That is cool.
Maybe we can share hobbies, try new things.
You can try my camera. I show you how.
I can show you drawing, you can try a sketch.
That is a great idea. I look forward to that.
Wow, the view from here is amazing. The city is huge.
Yes, this building is tall. You see far away.
I'm still new here. I do not know many places.
You should visit the main square. It is very lively.
What is at the main square? Many shops?
It has an old clock tower. The tower is famous.
I love clock towers. I will take a picture.
You should go at sunset. The light is beautiful then.
Sunset light is perfect. Thank you for the tip.
Also, try the river walk. It is very relaxing.
I saw the river. Many boats are on it.
You can see old bridges. They are good shapes.
I like city structure. Buildings are great art.
Do you know the art museum? It is very famous.
No, I did not visit yet. Is it close?
It is near the train station. You can walk there.
I will go there next week. I love all the art.
What about restaurants? Where do you eat?
I eat fast food mostly. It is quick and simple.
Try the local food market. It is much better.
Local food is new for me. Is it safe?
Yes, the food is fresh. You will like it.
I will try the market food. I need a change.
This city is great. Many things to see.
I feel much better now. I know more places.
The tall buildings look small, like tiny boxes.
I will take a photo now. This view is rare.
This market is loud. Many people.
Yes, the air smells good. I feel very hungry.
What food do you like best? Tell me now.
My best food is burgers. I eat them often.
Burgers are okay, but I prefer sweet food.
Sweet food is dessert, not a main meal.
I love ice cream bars. They are always perfect.
Ice cream is nice, but a burger is big.
We can buy a small burger and a large ice cream.
That is a very smart compromise. We share both.
I want the vanilla flavor. It is my favorite.
I will try the spicy food here. It looks interesting.
Spicy food is too hot. Be very careful.
I like a little heat. It makes me sweat.
Do you cook much, Ben? Do you try recipes?
No, I do not cook well. I burn everything.
Cooking saves much money. You should learn.
I will learn pasta first. It seems easy.
Pasta is simple. I can teach you later.
Thank you, Mia. I need help cooking.
We can buy fresh vegetables here. They look good.
These tomatoes are red. They are very bright.
I need fresh basil leaves. They smell nice.
Let's find a coffee stand. I need more energy.
Coffee is a good idea. We walk this way.
I love the market energy. It is so busy.
It is a fun place, but watch your backpack.
I take the metro home. Do you use this train?
Yes, I use the metro daily. It is very fast.
I get lost underground. The lines confuse me.
Follow the line colors. That is the simple rule.
I traveled many places, not by metro though.
Where did you travel to? Tell me about your trips.
I went to the mountains. I drove my small car.
Mountains are cold places. Did you climb high?
Yes, I climbed one day. I took many photos.
I travel to the ocean. I love the warm water.
The ocean is relaxing. Did you swim much?
I swam every morning. The water was great.
What is your best trip? Your favorite place?
Italy is my favorite. The art is wonderful.
I want to visit Italy too. I want to eat the pasta.
The food there is amazing. It is very special.
Where do you want to go next? New trip plan?
I want to see the desert. Hot, dry sand.
The desert is quiet. It is a very different place.
Quiet places are good.
I can draw slowly there.
Maybe we can travel together. Take a trip later.
That sounds fun. We could go next summer.
Next summer is far. We can plan slowly.
Planning is half the fun. We choose a place.
I need to leave soon. I have an art class to teach.
Oh, you must go. Let us meet again soon.
Yes, I want to see you. That would be great.
We must exchange numbers. Write your number here.
My number is 555-4321. Send me a text.
Okay, I write your number. I save it now.
What is your best number? I save it too.
My number is 555-9876. Call me tomorrow.
I will call tomorrow afternoon, after my class.
We can meet for coffee. That small shop near the library.
That is a great idea. Good coffee and a chat.
When is a good day? Next week, maybe.
Tuesday morning is free. I do not teach then.
Tuesday morning is perfect. My job starts late.
So Tuesday at 10 a.m., near the library.
I will be there at 10 a.m. I will not be late.
I look forward to that. We can talk more.
I want to see your drawing. Bring your sketchbook.
I will bring all my pages. I show you my art.
I will show you my photos on my new camera.
That sounds wonderful. I must go now.
Thank you for talking. It was very nice.
Thank you too, Ben. See you Tuesday. I really must leave. I am late for class.
Okay, go fast now. You must hurry.
I had a very good time. You are easy to talk to.
I had a good time too. You are a nice person.
Good luck with your new job. Start well on Monday.
Thank you very much. I feel excited.
Remember to visit the tower. Go there soon.
I will go tomorrow morning. I take my camera.
Be careful walking home. Watch the fast cars.
I will walk safely. The path is clear.
Do not forget to text me. I check my phone.
I will text you this evening, just to say hi.
That is very kind of you. I wait for the message.
I hope your art class goes well. Teach them much.
I think they will learn fast. They are clever.
Goodbye for now, Mia. See you on Tuesday.
Goodbye, Ben. Have a good evening.